Welcome back to Saturday Daybreak. It is 9:48. We have Julianne Bitely here in the kitchen, and we're making candy this morning, and it's, I know, the candy that's actually good for you.
It's actually
I didn't know there was a candy that's good for you.
Well, sure. Coconut oil. You know, it's a superfood, right?
Well, you made me drink coconut water one. Was it coconut water?
I'm not sure. It's been, I make you try lots of things.
Yeah, and anyway, the coconut water, I was like, no, thank you. But anyway.
They're all different. Okay, so coconut oil is a healthy fat, so not all fats are bad. So we start with a base of 1 cup of melted coconut oil. If it's at 75 degrees or above, it'll stay liquid. If it is cooler, it's solid. So that's how we make these beautiful candies here. Okay. So we are going to pour this into a freezer Ziploc bag, and I've got it put in this measuring cup to give it some stability so that it doesn't go everywhere.
So you don't have coconut oil everywhere.
Exactly. But if you get it on your clothes, it's actually water soluble, so it'll wash right out.
Really?
It's a natural fabric softener as well. So we're going to add in, we're going to make the dark chocolate version today, but there's like a bajillion different ways you can make it at home.
A bajillion?
Super, yes. Like, we're going to talk about that. So this is cacao, not cocoa, cacao, which is, you know, the raw form of chocolate. So it has magnesium and iron and zinc and tons of good stuff in it for you. And it gives it that dark, rich flavor. This is a 1/2 cup.
All right.
Add that in there. And then we're going to add in 1/3 cup of date syrup.
Date syrup.
Date syrup.
Now,
yes.
That's got to have a ton of sugar in it.
Well, actually, it is one of the sugars that your body processes really well. It doesn't put any undue stress on your pancreas or liver like normal sugar does. And it has vitamin A, B, D, E, more potassium than a banana.
Really?
Yeah.
Dates have more potassium than bananas?
Yes.
See, that's something else I didn't know.
So, and it's a great, you don't have to use as much as you would sugar because it's naturally sweeter.
Okay.
So we're going to mix it up in here in this little Ziploc bag. And if you've got kids that you want to get involved doing this, this makes a great Mother's Day gift. Super easy. You just, let's see, zip it up here and you can just massage it, you know.
Yeah.
I'm a massage therapist, so I love. You just massage it, make it all fun. Kids can do this. And it's already in its natural pouring state that it needs to be in, so you'll just make a little bit of room.
So that mixed pretty easily, didn't it?
Oh, so easy. You're just going to cut a little bit of the tip off. And if you come right here, we've got these little silicone molds. You can get these at Hobby Lobby for pretty cheap. I got mine for like $2. Actually, $1.99 with their little coupon. And it just pours really easily into there. Usually I'm better.